Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you where you can set up two-factor authentication on monday.com. So if you want to set this extra level of security, you want to take these steps to actually get that started. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right and click on administration. On the left hand side, click on security and just simply click on authentication. All right, once you click on that, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll have the two-factor authentication right here. You can simply click on add and you can proceed. You'll need the authentication app such as the Google Authenticator or even the Duo Mobile, and you can just easily go ahead and continue with next. You can do the SMS version, but this is only available on the paid plans. And so if you want to set up this part, just click on continue. And what you can do is scan this barcode, for example, in the Authenticator app, or you can just enter the token to set it up and just enter a token and click setup, and that's gonna sync up everything for you and you'll be able to set up a two-factor authenticator on monday.com. And that's pretty much it.